let's show what happens here. Here's a very simple example, contrived example. We're piping cat into head. You normally wouldn't do something like this, but this is just to show this could be coming from anywhere. This could be coming from curl or from a command or from a function. We set pipe fail here, so we turn it on. We cat etc password, and we grab the first line of etc password. So let's go ahead, let's run that. We get the first line of my etc password file, which is just comments, and it was successful. Hey, that's awesome. That's really cool. What about the large input? Same exact thing, but this time we're catting user shared dict words. This is a large list of words that exists on my system. Your system might have it too. User share dict words. You can see there are 235,000 words in this file. So we have very large input. We're piping to head minus n1. We want the first line from this file. So let's go ahead and run this. We get the first line. It prints it. That's great. It's a failure. It's a failure. Why is it a failure? I'll give you a hint. It's not head that failed. It is cat that failed. So why did cat fail? Let's dig into this a little bit. We have 141 here. Do you know what's going on? The shell's actually giving us that exit code that's not coming from the process itself. It's actually coming, well, it's coming from the exit status of the process, not the exit code of the process. The process was killed with the signal. We know that because it's above 128. I will show this. We can take, what was it, 141 minus 128, and we are left with 13. That means this process died from signal 13. We can do trap minus L to list all of the signals. We can find signal 13, SIGPIPE. So what happened in this example is that cat was killed with SIGPIPE. You may have seen this in programs of yourself when you're piping it to grep or head or tail or something like that. Basically, cat is just trying to spew bytes. It's just reading that file and writing it. And head says, you know what? I already got the first line. I don't need any of the data there, so I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna close at my input. I don't need to read any more input. So it closes it, and cat says, whoa, hold on, my writer just disconnected. I can't write to this anymore. SIGPIPE. It dies. It tries to write to it and it can't. So that's what's happening there with pipe fail set. If you had this also with set minus E, you're done. That script is done. And this is a very difficult problem to figure out. How would you figure this out? I knew how to take was it 143, 141? I don't remember. Subtract 128, look at trap minus L. But if you were just getting started, how would you debug this? That'd be very tough to debug. And that's why I'm worried about this strict mode.